Ebusia, come with me, come with me once again. I have numerous things I have to discuss with all of you here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. Now, the first one I want to discuss with you guys now. Nkwala bia na me hu video. Esan so mo ye nkwala ni niam e koso nti I couldn't share that with you guys. But let me give you guys the intro. You see guy bi ni din dia aboki. Ena wako sisa nkwala na kidnap on base 7. Ena baako adwane ye eko frɛ boys ni ba ye ema boys ni ebebu no pan ma ne ka no krese ampanampa we kidnap omo edi ma police officer bi ewo Nigeria o. Chese oninama oso oton scraps enye scraps no ton join so hunkwala ana so hu yon wansa na wachi omo na oni omo akɔhye baby ese oni omo akɔhye na enne o twen so ati ase okuta sack say or yes scraps into or ye yiwia na oni egumu na enne says truck bi no wa oni etusu boko e dia befie ebusun the next one na me ye dia kyerɛ no eye 3 Nigerians achi omo ewo Temale say omo ton dangerous chemical omo mixing no e dey ye mouthwash e no omo ton ewo roadside e na police for no achi omo ebusun enye easy. Now the next one no, there are 2 ladies omo ayila. We are looking for them in search of these 2 ladies. Baako ni din Eddie Christiana Ofusua. The other one he did Mrs. Claudia Aprako. Mrs. Claudia Aprako kwa de yesi ni papa ewu yen cheye. Enti even bury anokra maso eno so asa yele. Enti we are looking for them. Uhu picture na you see it and you see the police report. Mesrel, in case you see a trace of them, bomodian se obe friend number we 0241 81249 any 0260 980-732 ebusia. Now you bekwa kwhwe sa video na me can say Nigeria for no ya chi omo no. This is a news that was broadcast I think by City FM, so credited to City, they broke the news out there. This is not like obi akojina baby can't ni onimo, is by City until we know exactly.
Serious issue. 3 Nigerians have been arrested by the police in Temale, which is in the northern regional capital, for allegedly selling adulterated chemicals, adulterated detergents on the market. The suspects were arrested on Wednesday upon a tip-off for marketing and distributing a formulated household cleaning detergent as mouthwash to the unsuspecting public. The 3 suspects, Sadiq Alutuji, Opemi Samson, and Mayowa Olamiloku, are aged between 21 and 22 years. They are alleged to have recruited others in the business of selling fake mouthwash on the Ghanaian market for almost 1.5 years now. According to the Food and Drugs Authority, the FDA, the light-duty cleaner on an original product of GNLD has been formulated as a household cleaning product, but the suspects dilute the product into solution concealed in smaller bottles, which are labeled as products for treating bad breath, foot rot, and mouthwash.
These guys around town offering this product for sale that alerted the FDA, and it's as a result of the level of public education that we've carried out. Now the public is becoming more and more vigilant. The public is becoming more and more aware of public health issues, and so individuals are calling in, individuals are giving information about the various activities of situations of, the various activities of companies like these guys, which is a gang that is threatening the public health of our country. And now they've moved away from probably the big cities, they're moving to the the smaller towns, and interestingly they always come with an offer of a job.
We'll be charging them with section 111, 112, 113 and 118. 111 talks about prohibited sale of drugs, herbal, medicinal products, cosmetics, medical devices, and other household chemicals. Section 112 talks about standards, and it simply talks about where a standard is prescribed for a drug, herbal, medicinal products, cosmetic, medical device, or household chemical substance. A person who manufactures, labels, or packages such product for sale or advertisements contravenes the law. That is where we are going to hold them for adulterating this product.
All right, so let's go to the phone lines now, and this is a developing story. Let's find out what the FDA has been saying about this particular development. We've been joined on the line by Ebenezer Kofi Esel. He's the Director of the Food and Drugs Authority in the Northern Region. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for your time. Hello, Mr. Esel.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon, and thank you for joining us.
Good afternoon. Thank you for having me.
Please, how serious is this issue of the detergents being sold as mouthwash, and how long have you monitored this particular development up until the arrest?
Well, thank you very much, and let me use this opportunity to say a very good afternoon to your viewers. The FDA, if we say how long have we been monitoring, our monitoring activities is a daily thing that we do. It's a routine thing that we do. And if we find anything that is unusual, then we need to investigate. But this particular one, I think we will say a very big thank you to a police officer who was very vigilant, probably due to the public education that we've been carrying out, the fact that you also give us platforms such as this to advise the public. I think he was very vigilant when he saw these young men selling the product in his community in Temale. And so he quickly called the office and told us about the activities of these guys, that he's seen them running around and selling a product they claim belonged to GNLD. And looking at the product, the container, the information, the English, and all that, I mean the grammar, he's suspicious that this may not be a genuine product. And so he entertained them until the FDA officers arrived at the scene, and then we got hold of them. And so our public education is very positive. It's yielding results.
Okay.
And I believe we will continue with in that light, so that consumers will be vigilant, will get to know what they should expect from any product that claims to be potent and is supposed to do what its claim is doing.
Okay.
With regards to its safety, I think there is nothing to write home about, because the indication they've given on the product is not what the product was meant for. So I told your reporter,
for these products or items that have been on the market for a few months now, at least a year and a half, and he says that the suspects have been arraigned for court. They are between the ages of 21 and 22, 3 of them. And so you are being advised to be cautious of what you buy, and do read the labels of what you are.
Any landlord who is housing Nigerians in his abode or whichever, any landlord you know has given a house to Nigerians and the Nigerians are living there, quick, send an audio recording to the Ghana Immigration Service. Why is it that these Nigerians, these crooks, still cannot find that?
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this man here, this man is the most stupid Ghanaian I've ever seen. The most stupid, the most useless Ghanaian I've ever seen. He's very useless. He's very stupid. Yes. He come there, they rant. Meanwhile, Ghanaians, they in Nigeria, some of them does not even pay rent. Nigerians give them rent for free. Do you understand? Meanwhile, this stupid man, this useless man, they here, they bring fake news. They rant. Tell the man, say you be nobody. You're just ranting. You're just making noise. You are nobody. Nobody see you. Nobody regard you. You are just an empty vessel. A free. Nobody hate you. So what I say, you're what? You're Jimmy. What about them? Seattle. You come here, come they talk say, make Ghanaians no give. We they watch you, fool, Jimmy. You not go fit do anything. You just the amount you get to be empty vessel. Now waiting you be empty vessel. You what nothing. Me na me chire. Unem hwe. You kwasiasem. Why? Up or down. You think say Ghana before you? They just sit down for one room where you did, they rant. Maybe say you never travel, come out from your own community, go another community. You declare waiting, you know be. See, Nigerians, when I day in Ghana, anybody will touch you, try and video the person, post them online, we go see her. We are not like, we don't do that nonsense where them useless xenophobia when they try to do. But we know how we're going to do our own. You understand? Even make I even tell you, even when they say Ghana must go, when we say they pursue Ghanaians from Lagos, the Igbos, now them.
You see the lies you are spilling off.
Do you understand?
Intro, and I will channel, intro. Ukra de jama, o Nigeria or so Ghana, usuro and our quantity. We a Bema Bragana. Bragana, we a Bema Bragana.
They were being harbored by the Igbo people, the same Igbo people that you are telling people are telling the Igbos this, Igbo that. If an Igbo man is looking for a rent in Ghana, and if the Ghanaians see that is an Igbo man, they will increase the rent. And that my question is why. Meanwhile, the Ghanaians are in Igbo land, and nobody cares to increase any rent for them. They do to John what they do to Obi. They do not discriminate. It's only for here. They see Igbos as a threat.
Ebusia, we are back. Now, I believe so you guys saw the two videos. Now, the other video that I added up to it, that was a Nigerian who can speak tree and scared about what Kwaku was talking about. And so you can see from his demeanor, right? You can read, even when he was making the video, he keep watching sideways. He's scared about something. Guys, let's take notice of this guy and let's find exactly where he made the video from, and let's fish these things out. Because he's like, Otisu be na obunz. You go see say it be like somebody way like I say osuru kakra bi aka because you understand me. Anyway, now the ladies that I spoke about a while ago, omo picture no be twa, two of them with the police report. Mesremo ebusuafo, the news is that they are missing. Yes, sure. And just in case you see Madam Christian Ofosua, for telephone number way 0241812249, and I say 02068980 for those two numbers no, because these are the numbers that the police put on board. In case you can call. Why? Send me catch them. I know one of you, somebody was laughing at me about my tree. Don't worry. Yeah, the proper when say I call. And Tibusia Saturday, Basso life. Now, I think so. I rehost him back when see and he say, ne, yesi kwabenya, Okada driver be, ya on a life no, ayini minimum, ayini throat, edi free ho. Ni nine back so new. Ebusia, this is what we are talking about. Oh, we can't continue like this. Oh, we cannot. Oh, Ebusia, we cannot. Yempe baby infa ekrofo we infa. And yes, idea yebenu yehu. The earlier we do, the better it will be for us. And it is again, and I make us a Saturday no. Ni padodoa ebe bano. Enu ne ebe ma the president of the land who said the youth are serious. Ni padodo ebe bano. Enti baby o biya. Bomodiana fa wo jim ebusia bebi o bia bomodiana fa wo jim misremo a madauruma me. So this is the only way by which I can help to ensure that you guys will come there in your numbers ebusia. So many things are going on and bunch of videos I have here I'm working on, but bomodiana say subscribe, I share, now I comment. Let's keep moving. That's ene ebesia pia yeko.